Hello everyone. Well, I am here with another DIY in my Halloween faux dessert series. What we're doing is we are taking these styrofoam balls, acrylic paint, latex caulking, white. These are cookie sticks or cookie pop sticks from Wilton, the Wilton section at Michael's. Very easy. We are also going to use our sprinkles that we made out of Sculpey. And again, this is for Halloween. And these are going to look so cute for decoration. So you can see I am going to put my styrofoam on to these cookie sticks. And what I'm going to use, I think, is I'm going to use a little bit of hot glue so they stay, because those are just coming right off. So I'm going to get all of my styrofoam balls onto the cookie sticks, and I will be back and we'll start making our faux cake pops. Okay, so what I did off camera is I just took, after I poked the hole into the styrofoam, I took the hot glue and just glued it so it would stick. So now what we're going to do is, what I could do with the small ones, I could actually, I think, just put them in. So I'm going to show you back and just dip it in like you would if it was a cup of frosting and this was a cake pop. Okay? And I have to do this just to get the bottom of it. The bigger one I won't be able to do that too, but I just want the look of the actual styrofoam to go away, so I'm going to put it on a little bit thicker. And again, these cake pops, aka styrofoam, you could use for any kind of decor for any season. Okay, so now, while it's wet, don't want any of those little holes to show. Okay, put that to the side. Here's your cake pop. Okay, with your cake pop, you're going to get your trusty Tupperware bowl, and you're going to take your sprinkles, and if you didn't want to put sprinkles, just make cake pops just like this, or you could put glitter. You could use little seed beads if you prefer that. But like I said, if I'm really trying to make a faux looking dessert, I'm going to try to do the best I can with even the embellishments to make it look as real as possible. So we're just going to sprinkle right on the cake pop. And I'm just going to kind of smush it a little bit so they're not sticking up like a porcupine. And this again is why I wouldn't want to make my sprinkles long. I like to cut them as short as I can. And there is one of your cake pops for your decorating. That way it has enough leverage. Cool. So as you can see, I have it like this so it isn't top heavy and it can dry. Let's do a large one like this in the orange. Yeah, you know, I'm surprised that the color kept its exact color, because usually when you add, like for instance, when I do the spackle, when I add a color, it lightens it up, you know, into almost a pastel, because you're mixing a pigment with white, a color, you know, different color. And this one isn't. So I wonder if it's because it's with silicone or something. I don't know. If you know, let me know. Because I don't know the chemistry of how things are, I don't know if that's even the right word. But whatever, you know what I mean. I'm just trying to figure out why the color stayed. I mean, I'm glad. I'm really glad. But I just don't know why, that being white, I still have a true orange here and not a peach. You want to make sure to get it all. Wait till you see what I'm going to do with a couple of these pops. It's adorable. I can't wait to share that with you. This is when getting your plasticware from the Dollar Tree pays off. Okay. This one I think I'm going to do, this one with just black. Oh, I better put this back in its, where's my little container? I don't want to mix it up with, that. Then this can go back into the black. And there's another cake pop. I think I'm going to make these chocolate. Let me decide, and I'm going to get that mixed up off camera. Okay, I already did one in the chocolate, and now I'm going to do the last one with you guys. And I'll show you all of them when I'm done. So I mixed up some of the brown. Now I will say the brown didn't come out as dark. In other words, the color did change a little bit. Where the orange really stayed pretty much true to the color of the paint in the bottle, this one was a little bit lighter. Not too much, but a little bit. And I'm using chopsticks for this because I only had one spoon, and that spoon went to the orange. You know me and my chopsticks. Whenever I get anything from the pickup sticks or wherever, I always take mine and everybody else's chopsticks that don't use them. Because I always use them in my crafting. So I hope that you guys will try some of this and I'm speaking again to the people that like to decorate with faux food, that have hutches and like to do Halloween decor. Christmas, Easter. I'm going to do every holiday I'm going to do some of this. It adds to the festive look of your decor. Again, especially if you like to decorate your kitchen or your hutches. And also what you could do, guys, is you could put a hook or a little paper clip on the top of these and hang them. If you do a Halloween tree, which I'm not going to do this year. I have done them in the past, but not this year. But you could make them into ornaments, and they would be very cute. I might paint the sticks, the ones that I've gotten paint on, like right here. I don't want to see that. So I may go ahead and paint the sticks when this is all dry. Or wrap some ribbon. Okay, so we're pretty well done with frosting it. I'm going to hold this in my teeth for a minute because I have nowhere else to put it, so hold on. I want to get the rest. I don't want that to go to waste. Okay. So now, I did the other one just with orange, so this one I'm going to do orange and black. Add a little more orange to that one. Shake it up. Sprinkle it on. Okay, so there you go. So I will show you, I want to put these in something to be able to show you what they look like. And then, of course, when you see my Halloween tour, you'll see how I use these in my decorating. So I will be back. So guys, here it is downstairs. I couldn't find anything to put these cake pops, aka styrofoam balls, in until they were dried. So I just kept them in here, but at least you get the gist of it, and you'll see again how I'm going to decorate with these when I do my Halloween decor. And here again are the little retro prints that I printed out from Google and backed with a cereal box. And these little cats keep getting into mischief. I hope that you will try it. It does add, just to me, something whimsical in your Halloween decor. Okay guys, until the next time, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.